Let's continue. Practice problem number 5. In bread making, yeast ferments sugars into ethanol and carbon dioxide, while the ethanol later combusts in the oven. What type of reactions are involved in this process and how do they contribute to the final product? Answer: fermentation. This is a decomposition or biochemical reaction where yeast converts glucose into ethanol, C2H5OH, and carbon dioxide, CO2. The CO2 gas causes the bread dough to rise, making it soft and airy. Next, combustion. When the bread is baked, any ethanol present can burn, so that is combustion reaction, releasing heat and energy which contributes to the browning and aroma of the baked bread through the Maillard reaction. Contribution to the final product. Carbon dioxide from fermentation makes the bread rise. Combustion and heat, it enhances color, flavor, and texture. Practice problems, chemistry lesson 5, chemical reactions in everyday life, baking, cleaning, and burning. Number 1. When vinegar, acetic acid, is mixed with baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, bubbles of carbon dioxide gas are released. What type of reaction is this? Given acetic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, releasing carbon dioxide gas. Required the type of reaction. So solution, acid reacted with carbonate, you produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide. The final answer, acid carbonate reaction, which is neutralization with gas evolution. Number 2, bleach sodium hypochlorite is used to remove stains from white clothes by breaking down colored compounds. What type of reaction is taking place? So we're given sodium hypochlorite breaks down colored compounds in stains. Required type of reaction. So solution, bleach acts as an oxidizing agent to decolorize stains. Final answer, oxidation reaction. Number 3. When sugar is heated in the oven during baking, it undergoes caramelization, changing color and flavor. What type of reaction this represent? Given sugar changes color and flavor when heated strongly. Required types of reactions. Solution, heat breaks down sugar into simpler compounds. So the final answer is decomposition reaction. Number 4. A candle burns in the air, producing carbon dioxide, water vapor, and heat. What type of reaction is this? So we're given candle wax reacts with oxygen, producing carbon dioxide, H2O, and heat. Required the type of reaction. Solution, hydrocarbon reacted with oxygen, you produce CO2 and H2O. Final answer, carbon dioxide, carbon combustion reaction. Number 5. Antacids, calcium carbonate tablets, neutralize excess stomach acid HCl to produce water, carbon dioxide, and salts. What type of reaction occurs? So given calcium carbonate reacts with HCl to produce CO2, H2O, and salt. Required type of reaction. Solution, acid reacted with carbonate to produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide. So the final answer, neutralization, which is an acid carbonate reaction. Number 6. When hydrogen peroxide is applied to a wound, it decomposes into water and oxygen bubbles. What reaction is happening there? So given H2O breaks down into H2O and O2 bubbles. Required type of reaction. Solution. A single compound decomposes into simpler products. Final answer, decomposition reaction. Number 7. Soap reacts with grease and oils to break them down during cleaning. Which type of reaction does this represent? Given soap breaks down grease and oils, required the type of reaction. So solution, soap reacts with fats or oils, saponification or emulsification. So the final answer, saponification or cleaning, emulsification reaction. Number 8. When an iron pan is left unclean and exposed to moisture, rust forms. What type of reaction occurs? So given, iron reacts with oxygen and moisture to form rust. So required type of reaction. Solution, iron undergoes slow oxidation. So the final answer, oxidation or corrosion. Number 9. When yeast is added to bread dough, it breaks down sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide, causing the dough to rise. What type of reaction is this? So given, sugar is broken down into alcohol and carbon dioxide by yeast. Required type of reaction. Solution, biological breakdown of sugar in the absence of oxygen. Final answer, fermentation reaction. So number 10, when charcoal is burned in a barbecue grill, it reacts with oxygen to release heat and smoke. What type of reaction is this? So we're given carbon reacts with oxygen to release carbon dioxide and heat. So required type of reaction. Solution, 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Final answer, combustion reaction. Practice problem number 11. Toothpaste containing baking soda neutralizes acids in the mouth. What type of reaction is taking place? So given, baking soda neutralizes mouth acids. So required type of reaction. Solution, we have an acid reacted with a base to form salt and water. So final answer, neutralization reactions. Number 12. Silverware tarnishes when exposed to sulfur compounds in the air, forming silver sulfide. What type of reaction is this? So given, silver reacts with sulfur compounds in air to produce silver sulfide. What type of reaction? So solution, Metal reacted with non-metal compound, you produce a compound. Therefore, the final answer is combination or oxidation reaction. Practice problem number 13. When lemon juice, citric acid is used to clean stains from metal surfaces, bubbles of gas are released. What reaction is occurring? Given citric acid reacts with carbonate in metals, releasing gas. Required type of reaction. So solution, acid reacted with carbonate to form salt, water, carbon dioxide. Final answer, acid carbonate reaction. Practice problem number 14. During baking, baking powder releases carbon dioxide that makes cakes floppy. What reaction is involved here? So given, baking powder releases carbon dioxide, making cakes floppy. Required type of reaction. So solution, acid reacted with base mixture produces carbon dioxide gas. Final answer, acid carbonate reaction. There is a gas evolution. Practice problem number 15. A matchstick ignites when struck against a rough surface, producing flame and smoke. What type of reaction is happening? Given match ignites and produces flame. Required type of reaction. So solution, fuel reacted with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, heat, and light. Final answer, combustion reaction. Practice problem number 16. When milk spoils, lactic acid forms due to bacterial fermentation. What type of chemical reaction is this? Given milk turns sour due to the formation of lactic acid. Required type of reaction. Solution, sugar in milk, which is lactose, undergoes bacterial fermentation. Final answer, fermentation reaction. Practice problem number 17. When food containing fats and oils becomes rancid, it reacts with oxygen in the air. What type of reaction is taking place? Given oils react with oxygen in air, producing foul smell. Required type of reaction. Solution, oxidation of fats. Final answer, oxidation reaction. Practice problem number 18. Vinegar reacts with limescale calcium carbonate deposits in kettles and removes the buildup. What type of reaction is this? Given vinegar, which is an acid, reacts with calcium carbonate deposits. Required type of reaction. Solution, acid reacted with carbonate to produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Final answer, acid carbonate reaction. We will have the next part of our chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 5.